Hi guys, good afternoon. So it is Thursday. Actually, I think it's May 21, 2020, and it has been raining since the last couple of days, and in the morning as well it was raining, and now it's dry. But I am happy to show you that now everything is green because of the several days it was raining. So I'm very happy because the goats have something to eat, and I think in the next 2 weeks then the grasses will be already too long. So as you can see as well, as have my hair bun because it's very hot, it's very humid, and today I asked my son to take care of the goats and put them in the stall. Okay, so let's check them out. Okay, that he has something better to do. So there you go. So as you can see, everything is green, and yeah, so he has to put the goats in the stall. So we will see how he gonna do it, and later he has to cook some rice for us. Okay, so I'm just here as an observer. So he is busy with Lucy. Hello baby, hello. So this is Juicy. Are you happy? Oh, you're happy. Tanggalin mo na, tapos saraduhan mo lang yung gate. So I asked him to put already the rope and then close the gate. So as you can see, Finn. Bakit nakawala si Finn? Arvin? Ito na eh. So looks like Finn was able to get off from his rope. So later na si Finn, later na. Ito munang malaki. And hello baby, you have to go inside now. Maybe you're wondering about the towel actually there on the wall. That is Otto's towel, and yeah, it has to be cleaned because he was using it a lot when it was raining. And yeah, okay, Finn was going inside. That's good. Push him a little bit. So I'm teaching him how to do things here, since for example when I'm away, then he can do it by himself. So now he will go to Freckles. They're over there. I don't know if he can do it. Yeah, Freckles, you have to go inside. And you have to check if the water is clean, and then change the water as well. Malinis ang tubig? Ha? Malinis ang tubig? Ha? Sigurado ka? Parang hindi. Ha? Kailan mo pinalitan? Kahapon? Parang hindi. Palitan mo na lang. Everyday dahil pinapalitan nyo ng tubig. Palitan mo na lang. Bigay mo sa bibe. Saraduhan mo, baka makawala. Patingin nga. Let me check. If it's clean, then it's good. Okay. Hindi pa siya madumi. Put it back. Dapat hindi matutuma yung tubig, ha? Stable ba ang pagkakalagay? Okay. Okay, so you can see there. Hello, goaties. Hello. You have to go in now. Okay, next. So he already put back the goats in the stall. Then he has to cook some rice for us, because that is his duty. Oh, by the way, and as you can see, the clouds is very gray, so most probably in the evening it will rain again, which is actually very good because we like it. And as you can see, the yard is getting green, and in the next 2 weeks it will be looking much better. So let's see how he will do it. This is his second toast. So I'm just an observer here. See how he will do it. Yep. I'm sorry, our table is a little bit mess. And 7 cups. We have to cook 7 cups of rice for us because Otto eats a lot. I bought this rice from the rice store in one of the barangays before the city, and it's actually very good. It costs like 51 pesos a kilo. Oh, we also got 25 kilos of rice from the barangay. Paikutin mo siya, ha? Isisil. So our table is quite a mess. Next. Wag mong itatapon yung sabaw kasi gagamitin ko sa gulay, okay? Ilagay mo na lang dyan sa sa kaserola. Yep. So I asked him not to throw away the rice water because I will use it to cook the vegetable over there. I already prepared the stuff. See, I have here the white gourd, I have petcha, and I have tomatoes. So later I will cook some vegetables for us and maybe some dried fish. Puts a lot of water. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Huwag mo sasamang bigas. So he has to learn how to do this because yeah, he's growing up, you know. So I think every teenagers, you know, punasan mo, bakit may may sabon yung tabi, oh, di ba? Tanggalin mo, punasan mo ng makaka-apekto yun sa lasa ng gulay. I think every young boys and girls, you know, aged like 10 to 15, they should learn how to do basic household stuff like cooking rice or frying an egg or washing dishes, you know, because they need to be independent as soon as possible, right? Okay. Oh, ba't hindi puno? Nagmamadali ka ah. Ano dapat gawin? Di ba? Ay ano muna, hahaluin. Oh, tapos How many? 7, right? Okay, good. So 7 cups of rice equals 7 cups of water, and actually when it's boiling, you have to stir the pot a little bit. In that way it will be thoroughly mixed, and not one part is okay and the other part is not okay. Yeah, that's good. Switch it on. Okay, thank you, Arvin. So that's it, guys. So my son already put the goats back in the stall, and he is cooking rice for us, so that is already very good, because in that way I have already helped here in the kitchen and in the house. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and for those who are watching but not subscribing, please subscribe, guys. It would really mean a lot to us. And see you on our next video. Thank you. Bye.